Hi YouTube family, how is everybody today? I am going to stand on my soapbox for a few minutes and rant just a little bit about something that has really been bugging me. I am so, let's see, how can I put this? The best way for me to put this is that I would like to talk to all of you about the undercover, underhanded things that go on YouTube channels that make you, our subscribers, buy products or feel like a product is going to be the best thing you've ever seen or anything like that. I recently, and this is not just about one YouTuber, or it's not just about, you know, like a group of YouTubers or anything like that, but I recently have really understood what Botox is and understood seeing people with Botox and what that does for like making expressions on your face, or, you know, how it will puff out your lips or anything like that. And so what I wanted to talk about is the obviousness of people getting Botox, but promoting another product that this is what this did to me. Like, let's say it's, you know, your lips. Okay, well, let's say that somebody is saying, well, I have a cream that can make your lips look really pouty or really full or whatever. It's just not true. It can't happen that way. We are born with what we're born with. We have what we have. We live through life. We have, you know, wrinkles, or we have fine lines, or, you know, our lips aren't as thick as we wish they were, or our eyes aren't lifted as much as we wish they were. But there are things that they can do cosmetically to help all those. Obviously injectables, obviously Botox for things like these really, really bad lines right here, or my really, really bad frown lines that I have right there. Obviously injectables for those. You can get injectables around your eyes. But here's my point to that, and telling you guys all that and pointing out all of my lovely wrinkles and my lines, is that I recently have been watching quite a few YouTubers that are putting themselves across as a product or a tool or a device will get rid of those things, and that they'll magically just disappear. And what killed me about this particular thing is that while they're talking, and a lot of them do this, while they're talking, they won't smile. They can't barely smile, definitely can't raise their eyebrows, and can't do this frown thing at all. Now, I'm not saying that there are not wonderful, beautiful women here on YouTube that actually do have the best genes in the world, and that they don't have any of these lines, but I don't like it when someone tries to pull off, oh, I've never had any procedures done. Oh, I've never had any injectables done. I'm 30 years old, and you can see that she, you know, she can't raise her eyebrows like this at all. Or I'm 50 years old, and you could go back into my old videos and you can see that my lips were littler than they are now, or, you know, whatever, that kind of thing. So I just feel like, you know, we can all use really good common sense here. And that is that, number one, don't be fooled by everything you hear, because, you know, anybody can sit here in front of this camera and tell you anything whatsoever. And that's why on my channel, I put so much research down in the description box when I'm recommending anything to you. Like, makeup products, I feel like that's a little bit different, because those are things you just kind of have to try for yourself, or somebody tries them and you think, well, I want to try that, and then it may or may not work for you. But when you're talking about things that the people are making promises like, oh my goodness, you're never going to be able to see your 11 lines again, or you're never going to be able, you know, you're never going to have these big, huge lines that go across your forehead, or these worry lines, and you're never going to have these smile lines right here that go down your eyes again if you use this product, or if you use this specific tool. I just feel like we need to use a lot of common sense here. And the other thing is I'm not saying that I wouldn't go out and get Botox, because if I could afford it, I'd do it in a minute right here. I would have Botox on those suckers so fast your head would spin, because I hate my 11 lines. But I just want you guys to think about something. research some Botox videos here on YouTube, and then look at some people that actually have Botox, and you will see that if they have a lot, and you can tell which ones they are, if they have a lot, they won't be able to raise their eyes very much. It freezes. It actually goes in and it just basically puts the nerves or the, you know, the muscles or the contraction to sleep in the area that you're looking for. So it basically freezes that area. So if there's a person that doesn't have one single solitary expression on their face, and they're telling you that this particular little oil did, you know, such and such for me, and you go out and you buy the oil and then it doesn't do a ding dang thing for you, well, then I think they're full of it. So yes, if it makes you feel good, and if that's what you want to do, go for it. Do it 100%. Live your life. All I am saying is that just don't try to make people feel like it's a product or it's a device that has done that for you, because they can help, yes, but they're not going to turn back the hands of time. It just can't happen. We are who we are. Miss 50 coming on this year. Which I'm really freaking out about, but I just wanted you guys to know, just be careful. You know, I don't think it's really fair when you, the consumer, gets told that something is going to specifically do something miraculous and then it never ever happens for you guys. I think that's really bad practice that people have gotten into here on YouTube, and I think I've talked enough and ranted enough, so here I come back down off of my soapbox. And that as I talk about these things, I am not making judgments on people, because like I said, if I could have a Botox or if I could have a chin lift or something, I'd probably be in there right with you guys. Believe me, if I could have a lift and tuck on these babies, I'd do that too. So I love you guys all so much. You take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye, you guys.